Hello dear viewers and welcome to another episode of Kebab Connoisseur. I'm sending you my greetings from Sihanoukville, which is a famous resort town of the Cambodian coast. As with all famous resort towns, there's some nightlife and there are some kebabs present in this place. So please join me and we'll review some of them. I think it's this one. Okay, we have arrived now. No, I get two kebab.
Can we sit here?
Okay, hello again dear viewers. Now, as you might have seen, it is a bit of a hectic traffic coming on the way here. That's just how it is in bigger cities of Cambodia, even though I wouldn't even call Sihanoukville that big of a city. Anyway, this is the kebab, how it arrived. I think the price is 5,000 reals, which is $1.25, so around £1. Therefore, I do not expect to get much. This is more like a snack type, a small sandwich. And I will put it on the scale and see. 190 grams. Well, considering that it costs $1.25.
Cambodia or
Cambodia.
Yeah, two.
Two.
Yeah.
Take away.
No, here, Cambodia.
Eat here.
Drink here, Cambodia beer.
Hộp tắt á. Tắt khi đâu thì xuống. Vâng ấy. Rồi. Rồi.
Okay.
Oh. Cambodia. Cambodia. Okay.
Or anchor or whatever alcohol you have.
Cambodia confuses them. You need to say Gansberg. So another thing we noticed here is that most people don't understand the word beer or ice. So if you want to order a beer, it's best to say the brand. But the problem is they have brand names like Cambodia or Anchor, which are genuine Cambodian names anyway. So then you usually need to order Gansberg, which is also a Cambodian beer, but they claim it's based on a German recipe, hence the name. So this kebab, as I said, it's not that big. So there's some chicken meat in it, lettuce, white cabbage. I don't think I see anything else.
Cambodia and Anchor. Okay. Cool.
Okay, I think there's some cucumbers as well and some spicy sauce. Oh no, it's not too bad. I expected far worse from a kebab of this price. The bread is quite strongly toasted, so it's very crunchy and it breaks off in your mouth. And true.
Anchor.
This is one of the Cambodian beers, Anchor. Also one which is pronounced basically the same Angkor, named after Angkor Wat, the temple, or Angkor, the ancient city, which is close to Siem Reap. So yeah, this adds to the confusion when you're ordering beer in Cambodia. And this is it, it's already done. Less than 5 minutes since I started recording. I'm gonna rate this one 2.5 stars. It is a surprisingly decent kebab. I thought I'm gonna give it, when I initially saw it, 1.5 or 2 stars. But yeah, the taste is good owing to the spicy sauce. Selection of vegetables is okay, nothing to write home about. Mixing also could have been done better. Some places of a kebab you just have vegetables. There's not that much meat in it. Well, to be honest, there's not that much of anything in it, given that it's only 190 grams. But still, the taste is quite decent. I would rate it as slightly subpar, hence it's gonna get 2.5 instead of 3 stars. Yeah, that is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week in another episode. So, that was Srey Pov Doner in Sihanoukville, a Cambodian take on Las Vegas by the beach. For $1.25 roughly £1, one gets 190 grams of kebab, providing an excellent rate of 152 grams per dollar, 166 grams per euro, or 190 grams per pound. For this price, I did not expect much, but the taste was somewhat decent and earned 2.5 out of 5. While the relative affordability is still poor owing to very low salaries in Cambodia, this kebab provides much better value for money than the previously reviewed ones. I could imagine locals occasionally treating themselves to this kebab, not just foreign tourists. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time in another episode.